Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can remove voices on ElevenLabs. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your ElevenLabs account. And now that you're here, you will just have to click voices, which is right here. And then now what you will do is go to my voices, and here you will see a list of the voices that you currently have. And what you will have to do is look for the voice that you would want to remove. And then you will just have to click this three buttons right here, or three dots right here, which is more actions. And just go ahead and look for delete voice. And what you will have to do is just click that. And then you will just have to confirm the deletion when prompted. And finally, you will just have to refresh your library to ensure that your voice has been removed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.